Hey guys, Paul Dexter here. I forgot my tripod today, so I'm using an illusion effect on you to look like I'm leaning, because I found a crooked box to set the camera on. Hey, I realize it's been since before InfoComm that we've done a weekly update, as it were, and so I'm really sorry we got behind. You look forward to these time after time, and sorry to kind of keep you waiting. But because it's been so long, we got a lot to talk about. First of all, InfoComm was an amazing show.
Hey guys, it's been a great show.
And we got to talk to a lot of you guys at the show, of course. We're excited to be able to take those notes back and put some of your wish list items into our build list. Know that we only grow and get better as a platform because of that time with you guys, whether it's at shows like that or on the phone and or in our chat system here. That being said, here's some of the things that we've launched since InfoComm. One is the margin worksheet area. Inside your project overview, you can click this button and see all of your margins throughout the project on everything from equipment to every labor type to shipping and factors and so forth. And you can manipulate these values all in one spot here. Also, notice in conjunction with that, you can now have unique labor costs per project. That's something you can turn on and off for your company. So if you don't ever have different labor values for a project, you can lock that down. But for those of you that may do out-of-state projects and you have higher or lower labor costs, or perhaps you use a subcontractor on certain jobs that are more or less, you can use these unique labor values for each project now. Also, we've allowed you to define your crew size now. In the project overview area, in the labor section where it says hours and days on your project, you can define the crew size, which will obviously affect how many days you're on that project. You can use that for your estimating or just for your scheduling predictions. The project overview now looks much nicer on a small screen. We've made it to really fit now a standard 13-inch screen without as much wrapping as before, so you should be able to enjoy that if you operate on a small screen. We've also updated our QuickBooks Online connector. It pushes more data than it did before. We've also updated our iOS and Android apps for some compatibility issues. Feel free to grab those. And our project management homepage. I know I've promised this the last couple of emails. It is getting very, very close. We're finding a few last bits on it. The way we're trying to visualize this data for you is just taking some time. So we're real excited about that. That should launch next week. I know my developers hate it when I actually give a date, but I do honestly think we're gonna make next week with that. So look forward to that. We are looking forward to CEDIA. For those of you that will be in San Diego in September, we're looking forward to seeing you there. Please come by and say hi. With that, I think that's enough said. So enjoy your weekend, enjoy your summer, and we will catch up to you next time. Bye.